How to create an Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to create an Amazon account. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Press enter on the keyboard and then you will land on the official interface of Amazon, where you need to click on Hello Sign In Account and List at top of the screen. Here you got the option to sign in and a new customer start here. So as you are creating a new account, click start here link. Now you will get access to create account page where you have to enter your name, mobile number or email, password and re-enter the password and click the continue button. So let's enter all the credentials on this section one by one. And once you're done with that, you need to click on the verify email button. Now solve this puzzle to protect your account. So after you follow all the steps one by one, you will successfully create account on Amazon. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.